Kasi
Just
nga,
to let you know,
Sure.
you already hit your 5 minutes, Mr. Libayan. Pero let's try to close it up for this one.
Okay.
okay. So kasi ito kasi 'yon, no. Sinabi niyo dun sa consolidation na de facto, 'di ba? You agreed with your partner na si Llamas na de facto na consolidate kasi kumuha kayo ng pieces from the different complaints tapos na nagawa yung parang fourth impeachment
Okay.
complaint, tama ba?
Um, sure. We can play that. Play that scenario if you want. Sure. Go
So you
ahead.
can't remember.
No, I don't. But we can. I don't mind if you believe
Yeah,
that.
but will you
Sinasabi ko they
trust me? Ganun
consolidated.
talaga
I'm
yung
okay with that
sinabi niyo and
argument.
I remember it
Yeah,
very
yeah.
well even if you
Sure.
play it or not.
Yeah, go. So what's your what's the point? What are you trying to at what point are you trying to come across?
So yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo na sinasabi niyo na hindi pwedeng i-consolidate doon sa pagkakataon na yon. O kaya
Sinabi namin hindi pwede consolidate?
hindi. Ang sinabi niyo kasi yung parang well, hindi naman technically well, directly, I'm sorry, hindi niyo sinabing hindi pwedeng i-consolidate. Kasi nga ang problema ko, mali ang definition niyo sa consolidation. So, when you are talking about it, it's actually wrong.